We'll guide you through how to use ChatGPT for beginners. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to chatopenai.com. You'll need to sign up for an account if you don't have one yet. Click on the sign up button and you'll be prompted to enter your email address and create a password. Make sure to verify your email address by clicking the link sent to your inbox. Once you're logged in, you'll see a chat interface where you can start interacting with ChatGPT. Simply type your question or prompt into the chat box at the bottom, then press enter to send your message. ChatGPT will process your input and respond in the chat window. If you're not sure what to ask, you can start with simple questions like what's the weather like today, or tell me a joke. You can also use ChatGPT for more complex tasks such as getting explanations on specific topics, writing assistance, or even coding help. As you chat, you may find some responses particularly helpful. Feel free to refine your questions for clarity or ask follow-up questions to get more detailed answers. If you need to start a new topic or reset the conversation, you can click on the new chat button. This is useful for keeping your discussions organized. Remember, ChatGPT learns from your interactions, so the more you use it, the better it can assist you. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.